Using clay, set up your mirror on an index card. That seems to work the best. You want to set it up so it is perpendicular to the surface. Also make sure that the mirror is 30 centimeters from the edge of the table. The rulers have a little extra at the end of the 0 and the end of the 30, but for our purposes we're just needing to be close. So we will consider 0 being the end of the ruler. The first thing you do is then you take your golf tee and you measure the height of the actual golf tee and the height of the image. The goal of this investigation is to just show students that the image height and the object height remain the same compared to the point of view, which for our purposes will be the mirror. So if we measure the height of the golf tee is approximately 5 centimeters. Approximately 5 centimeters. Then if we measure the height of the image, it is approximately 5 centimeters as well. From the side, the activity looks like this. We set up the mirror so it is 30 centimeters from the edge of the table. You place the golf tee next to the mirror. You measure the height of the actual golf tee. The actual height is approximately 5 centimeters. Then you might need to get down low to the table to align the bottom of the golf tee with the bottom of your ruler, and you see it is also 5 centimeters. Once we find the size of the image and the actual object when they're against the mirror, we then want to find the size of the object and the size of the image as it appears in the mirror from 15 centimeters. So you would put your ruler next to the object in the mirror, and then you would go up or down to lower yourself until you aligned the bottom of the mirror, the image in the mirror, to the bottom of the ruler. You would do that by putting your head up and down here. And at that point, you'd measure how tall the image appeared to be in the mirror. You also notice that the image appears to be behind the mirror, as in 15 centimeters in that direction behind the mirror. Maintain the mirror at maintain the mirror at 30 centimeters from the edge of the table. Then we put our ruler next to the mirror. We go down low so we can see it. We align the bottom of the golf tee to the bottom of the mirror. And the golf tee image is approximately 3.5 centimeters. We repeat at 30. Again, putting the ruler next to the mirror to find the size of the image of the object in the mirror. And it looks as if the object is 30 centimeters behind the mirror. This is important to realize when we do the next part of the activity. We align the golf tee image to the bottom of the ruler. At that point, the image of the golf tee appears to be approximately 3 centimeters tall. Then we repeat this, but when you look in the mirror, remember, it appears that the golf tee is 30 centimeters behind the mirror, and it appears to be smaller. So we'll take the golf tee and begin by putting it first 15 centimeters behind the mirror.